Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic analogous estimation. Friend, this is a very important topic with respect to project management, and I would like to tell you that if you are studying project management in university or planning to give exam of PMP, so this is a very important topic, and you will definitely see this topic in exam, and at least 5 to 6 questions you will definitely see in the exam which are directly related to analogous estimation. If you are a professional project manager and working in any organization, so again this topic is important for you to understand and use in your professional and practical life of project management. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. uh, Analogous estimation. See friend, there are two terms: analogous estimation. First of all, we have to understand that what does it mean by estimation. Friend, let me give you an example. That for example, if you want to build a house and you contact with some contractor and inform him that you want to build a house, so just think in general sense that what will be your two questions which you will ask from the contractor or house building contractor. You will definitely ask that how much time is required to build a house and how much cost is required to build a house. Okay, so these are the two very basic concept, very basic questions you will definitely ask from a contractor whenever you build a house. So what are the two questions? How much time is required, how much cost is required. Let's assume that the contractor says that 6 months are required to build the house, and let's assume that $50,000 is the cost to build a house. So what actually contractor is giving you? He is giving you the estimate. Estimation means that he is giving you an idea that how much time is required and how much cost is required. Remember one thing, that these estimations can be correct and these estimations can be wrong. How much you are accurate in terms of estimation, that means you will be more successful in terms of implementation. So friend, this is called as the concept of estimation. Estimation means that idea to accomplish some task of a project. Similarly friend, analogous estimation means that it is a type of estimation whenever we are implementing some project in terms of time and cost, that it gives you estimation to complete some task. Either it could be you can say either it could be a time, either it could be a cost. For example, let me give you a very simple example. For example, you just receive a project as a project manager that you have to implement e-commerce solution for a customer. You just talk with your technical lead, and he says that previously the similar type of project we have done in 6 months. So more or less this project is very similar to that, so that we can say that we can complete in 7 months, for example. So friend, what we have done, this is called a type of analogous estimation. This is a we have done we this is called the concept of analogous estimation. Basically what we compare the new project with the historical data, with the projects which we have done in the past. We compare the scope, cost, duration, and the complexity level, and based on that we do the estimation. Are you getting my point? This is called as analogous estimation. We do this estimation at a very early stage of a project. What we do, for example, if you have to implement a mobile application for a bank, so what you will do, you compare it, check your historical data and discuss with your technical lead as well. If in the history, like you have implemented some project of mobile application for a customer for fund transfer, initially in the history you have done this project in, for example, in the 3 months, So you can say like 3.5 and 4 months. This because this is a very similar project to the project already done in history. So with respect to scope, cost and duration, you can use the same estimates and similar estimates and do some tweaking and use that estimation. So this is called as analogous estimation. Let me again repeat to you, what is analogous estimation? In the analog estimation, it is a type of estimation which we use to estimate the time and cost. In analogous estimation, what we do, we compare the new project with the historical data. Like any project which we have done in the history, we use that historical scope, cost, duration and compare it with the new project, and then discuss with the technical experts, and use based on the historical data, we estimate the new project in terms of time and cost. Okay, and we do this estimation at a very early stage of a project. So that is called as analogous estimation. Okay, this is the type of estimation which we use for estimation of time and cost, and based on the historical data and the expert judgment, we estimate the new project for time and cost. For example, you receive a new project that you want to build a website, and based on the historical data, you check that the similar project was done with respect to scope and time and cost, which was done in 2 months. So based on the historical data, you can say that similar project, because it's a similar in terms of scope and time and cost, so we can say that we can build this project in 2.5 months or 3 months. Okay, because it is very similar to the scope and time, so we can use the similar estimates for that. Okay, friend, then what are the steps for the analogous estimation? First of all, friend, you have to identify the domain, the technology you have to identify. Then you have to check the organization if they have similar data available, historical data. Then compare the current project with the past projects. Okay, then you will arrive some duration and cost, and also you have to identify similar data in the database of an organization. Then when you reach some level at some estimates in terms of time and cost, then you take the expert judgment as well. Expert judgment means, friend, that you will basically discuss with your technical lead, get an idea, and based on that you finalize the estimates. What are the basic steps? First of all, you have to identify the scope, domain, technology. Then you search for the historical data. Then you arrive some estimates. Afterwards you will discuss the estimates with your expert judgment. Expert judgment means the technical expert of that technology, and based on that, after that you will finalize the estimates and share it with your senior management. This is the very simple steps to finalize the estimates in terms of analogous. Now friend, advantages. What are the advantages? First of all, it is a very easy way, a better way to estimate at an initial stage of a project. It is a very simple technique. However, this is very important that whenever you are comparing the historical data, you must have to consider the success rate of historical data. This is very important. For example, if you are comparing your new project with the past project, however the past projects were not successful, so it should not be like that. You should have to compare the new projects estimate with the successful historical data. It should not be unsuccessful, because it will create a problem. Friend, this is called as these are the very basic concepts. These are very basic advantages of the analogous estimation. One more disadvantage of analogous estimation is that there are some chances of error are there. Why? Because it is based on the historical data, so there may be some chances that some deviation will occur, like some deviation in the estimation may occur. So these are the disadvantages. Why? Because if we are doing it at a very early stage and we are comparing with the past projects, so error in accuracy, there are some chances that error in accuracy may occur. One very simple example of analogous estimation is that, for example, you have to do the training for so few students. Okay, as per the past information of training, you notice that one day preparation, like 40 hours plus 8 hours of class time is required. Previous project was training a single group for one day, and preparation was 40 hours plus 8 hours of class time. This is from the historical data. Your new project comprises 3 groups and needs adjustment, for example, more and different, for example. So what you will do, 16 hours plus 3 times 8 hours class time. How you are calculating this? Friend, for example, you have one group was taking one single group for one day and preparation for 40 hours. Okay, plus 8 hours of class time. So 8 hours of class time, so you just multiply, because now there are three groups. Single group was taking 8 hours. Okay, and now there are three groups. So what you will do, you multiply the 3 with the 8 hours class time. So that is called as simply the analogous estimation. What you are basically doing, you are comparing the new project with the estimates of the past projects or historical data, and based on that you finalize the estimate. So friend, I have tried my level best to explain you the concept of analogous estimation. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and also if you have any question, please do ask from me. So thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.